Nurse Camp is a collaboration between College of the Mainland and CompassRN to reach out and to our taxing district primarily, which is the high school Santa Fe, Hitchcock, Lamarck, Texas City, and Dickinson. And we're trying to reach out to our underrepresented and underserved populations. And we're also looking to reach our young men and women, like starting in 8th grade, because that's really a very formative type of a time where they're trying to decide career-wise what they're going to do when they grow up.
I've always loved the nursing field. It's always been a dream of mine to pursue. So this was just like an additional bonus to me wanting to do nursing.
We did some basic CPR. They learned how to, notify and get EMS on the scene. They learned how to recognize whether someone was choking and at least to do the chest compressions. They had a trauma patient that they came in that they had to kind of stabilize, do vital signs. They actually got certified and stopped the bleed, which is it's kind of like CPR, but it's for events where you might witness or someone who's bleeding to death, and how to stop that bleed.
I'm really enjoying it. So far we've gone over like anatomy, and recently I just came back from doing trauma care. And first day is one of my interests when it comes to the medical field, so it was really exciting to learn.
They actually saw the baby being born from our mannequins. We have 2 mannequins that simulate the birthing experience, and they got to take care of the newborn baby and provide newborn care.
I really liked the labor and delivery. That was really fun. I learned a lot of new terms, and I liked just being hands-on and everything.
They also did an overdose management, so they actually got to recognize the simulation was set up so that the mannequin was experiencing an overdose, and then their intervention was to immediately grab the inhaler, and I give them the Narcan.
Here, it looks like an actual nurse's office, so you can actually get like the full experience without having cranky patients, just weird dolls.
The other kind of main event that we did both days was our use of our anatomage table. So anatomage, it's a multi-dimensional cadaver of sorts, but it's all done by computerized kind of tomography where it's very realistic, and it's actual deceased human beings that had donated their bodies to medical science. So they recognized major arteries in the body from head to toe. Then today we did a little bit more practice rounds, and then they did a preliminary tournament where we had all 6 teams participate, and the top 2 teams went on to the final, and we had the final this afternoon, and the winning team did really well. They all did just really well. I was just so amazed at the skill levels of these young men and women.
Honestly, if you have a true passion in medical science and anatomy, physiology, and just helping out people, saving lives, this is the place to be.